So these are the Evenflo Slims, and they're going to be coming in two configurations. They come in a gold edition and a non-gold edition. And the biggest difference, let me tell you right now, is going to be on the gold edition, you get a lifetime warranty. On the non-gold edition, you get a 90-day warranty. So big difference in the warranties. But let's also talk about the slimmer profile and how does this compare to the traditional Evenflo 360 as well as the Evenflo 360 Gold Extend. Because all of these units are going to be slightly different from each other, and we've been using the Evenflo Gold 360 for just about 18 months now, and we have the Extend version, and you can see our review right here. But make sure that if you're getting the Slims, you understand what the differences are and what the options are, because this is like picking a car. You need to get the right one for you. Even though both are Revolve 360 Slims, on the Gold Edition, you can see there's some design differences, as well as that the cushions are going to be different. The Gold is going to have a two-tone base here versus a single-colored base on the non-Gold editions, but overall use is going to be pretty much identical. So the non-Gold Slim is coming with the quick change cover. And the quick change cover means that you have a zipper that you can easily open and remove all of this, and they give you some Velcro straps here. It's actually very simple to take it out of the car seat and wash them, because these covers are going to be machine washable. So the easier you can get it off, especially if your child makes a mess, the faster you can clean it, and then the easier it is to reinstall it. Now on your Gold, the Gold does not have the quick clean cover, and this is now more of a premium material. So on that quick change cover, you can see right here, there's hooks. And if I wanted to take it off, I could just take it off easily with the hooks. And if I want to just put it back, I just have to rehook them. And you could even do this one-handed. If you want to quick clean it, these zippers, you just undo that and you can just take it out. On the Gold Edition, you really got to remove it, and it's a little bit more difficult. In terms of the overall cushion, the headrests are very cushiony. The seat also very soft and plush. That is a plush seat. You also have more plushness here and a little bit more plushness here. That's something that you don't get on the regular 360 Gold. On your Slim non-Gold edition, it is not as plush. You're going to see it's not as plush here. So most of the improved cushioning is going to be here, where your child is mostly sitting in terms of the seat cushions, because on the Gold Edition, it's just going to be a little bit more plush. They both come with the easy to use and 15 position headrest. And in this front facing position, it also gives us a good view of the 5-point harness. The buckles, including this area here, will be identical. More cushioning on the Gold. So instead of having the traditional buckles as in your Evenflo 360 Slim, the Gold Edition will come with SensorSafe. So SensorSafe is just going to be allowing you to remotely monitor what's going on in the car seat as well as what's the temperature. Cup holders have also been updated from the traditional Evenflo 360, where they're not going to be as easy to pop out, but they're going to be a little bit different. They have a locking mechanism now, so definitely not as easy to pop out, so your kid's not going to be able to take it out as easily, but there is a little button here that you just press and it could pop out. In the previous edition, you would twist it in. Now you're just popping it in and you can reattach it easily. So another difference between the 360 Slim and the Gold 360 Slim is that on your non-Gold edition, it's going to be coming with hooks. And these connecting hooks are basically the replacement for the latch system that's going to be featured on your Gold edition. So these are the no retread straps, which means if I want to take out any of the covers, we're going to undo our latch, undo this latch, and pop it out. Here, you can see that it is connected via these kind of spandexy straps. So we need to remove them. It's going to give you direct access to the back, undo the Velcro, and you can pop it out. So on our headrests, on our Gold Edition, you could just pull it out. So that's a lot easier on the Gold Edition if you want the additional headrest. So these are going to be your tether hooks. They're the same on both units. And if you look at the side profiles, they're identical in terms of their base. So now let's install the Evenflo Gold Revolve 360 convertible car seat inside of our Jeep Wrangler. And that's really easy. First thing, I'm just going to be taking our rear tether and we're going to be putting it through and connecting it to the back. You have to connect the rear tether hook. It is not optional on this 360 car seat. The next step will be that you're going to be wanting to take your seat belt, and this is going to be pretty straightforward. If you want to use the latch system, you can just connect the latches into the latch hooks here, or I always prefer to use it with the seat belt. Make sure your seat belt is straight. I'm going to pull it through the hole and give it some slack. Next, I'm going to bring it underneath, bring it underneath. We're going to insert it, insert it, insert it, insert it. I'm going to pop it in, and then we're going to pull on the seatbelt. A lot of modern cars and SUVs, if you just pull on the seatbelt all the way, it's going to go into a locking position. So then you should hear click, click, click every time you give it some slack. We're going to tighten our seatbelt here so that it's going to be secure. Want to pull, make sure both sides are going to be secure. Give it as much slack as it's a process. Tighten, tighten. And here we are. And we're going to lock it in. So now our base is fully secure. You won't be able to shake this out. It is extremely secure. Next up is going to be inserting the car seat and lining up the arrows, and it'll just slide right in. So we're going to slide this in. And voila. Our car seat is fully installed, and now it's in the rear-facing position. And in the rear-facing position, there are 4 adjustable reclines. You have the most upright all the way down to the most recline. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a huge difference between all 4 levels, but it's going to be up to you what position you want your child in. But if I want to go into front facing, you have to have it in one particular position, otherwise it will not be able to turn. As you can see, I have it in the most recline, so we're going to turn it, and I can go into the front facing position. But if I have it slightly more upright, and I want to go into a front facing position, it's going to get locked up. It kind of gets jammed up there. There is no recline in forward facing. This is the only seating position in forward facing. So the biggest drawback of the Revolve 360 Slim model is that there is no high booster seat, something that is standard on the Extend and the non-Slim editions. So because there is no high booster seat inside of this Slim Revolve 360, well, it's not going to be the same as the Gold Revolve 360, not Slim, to Extend, or any of the other non-Slim editions, because they have high booster seat options where you can just make this and convert it into a high booster seat. On the Slim, you won't have that option present for you. This is going to be stopping at front-facing 65-pound limit, or about 48 inches tall. Another drawback is that the seat is not easily removable. So if you want to switch easily between cars, it's going to be a harder process. This car seat itself weighs closer to 29 pounds, which is respectable and just about how heavy all the other convertible car seats, from the Cybex to the Gracos to even the Evenflos. But if I wanted to pop this out or take my child out and I wanted to leave him inside of the chair, this is not going to be necessarily feasible. What you want to do is just take out the entire top. So how you do that is you just line it up again. You line it up again. You line up the holes, and you can just pop it out. And your car seat will come out. There's no handles though. There's no handles. Let me show you how easy it is to remove the car seat from the base. And all you really need to do is line up these arrows with the arrows that are going to be located on the base. So if you turn your unit, you'll notice that there is going to be a small arrow here. So you just want to turn your car seat by unlocking it and just getting it right there. And then if you line up these arrows together, the car seat will just pop out. Is there going to be enough space if there's literally, my front seat is touching my Evenflo 360 car seat? And surprisingly, you will have enough space to rotate your car seat. It's going to be tight, but you have enough space, as you can see here. You can put your child in, and then once your child's back in, it will close right back up. Show you that someone 6'4", 210 pounds can drive. We're going to be driving it out. So I would say if you're under 6 feet, I would not be concerned about not having enough space inside of a Jeep Wrangler. The Slim is definitely the one I would take for the Wrangler just because of how much slimmer it really is. Then the next question you might have is, can I put another slim car seat in between 2 other car seats? In the Jeep Wrangler, you cannot. There is not enough space. Even though this has a smaller footprint, it's just not enough space. So like on the Evenflo website, I'm sitting next to the Evenflo Gold 360 here and the Evenflo 360 non-gold, but we just had the gold to the left of me. So what did we learn? We learned that if you want to get the longer warranty and you want the latch system, you got to go with the Gold Slim. The regular Slim does not come with that, so you will be disappointed. But if you don't need those features and you're not concerned about the warranty, the Slim might be the better offering because it's going to be about $40 cheaper, maybe even $50 cheaper when they're on sale. In terms of overall use, both experiences are going to be almost identical, and in terms of even cleaning it, I prefer the quick clean cover, and this is just my opinion. I prefer to have easy access to clean my car seat than to have the SensorSafe, because it's great to understand and know what the temperature in the car is, but you're never really going to leave your child in the car. So it kind of depends on what your situation is. With that, hit that like and subscribe button below because it really helps us make better content for you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. We'll get back to you because you might have a lot of questions about these and it's hard to get answers on them. And I'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow, showcasing to you our convertible car seats, the Slim, the Gold, the regular. We'll catch you next time. Bye, bye, bye.